Today we're here at Silverbow by Richmond American Homes here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, if you're looking for a large two-story floor plan, over 3,600 square feet, 5+ beds and 3-car garage, you won't want to miss this. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, so today is November 13th, 2025, and today we are in the community of Silverbow by Richmond American Homes. This is a fairly new community. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're right off of Blue Diamond, Durango, here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We're about 20 minutes away from the airport, about 25 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. Now, the southwest area is a very popular area just because of how convenient it is to get onto the freeway, but also doesn't take too long to get to the airport, to the Strip. But there's also plenty of great restaurants close by. You have Durango Hotel and Resort. If you just go up north Durango for about 5 minutes, Rainbow Street has a lot of good restaurants, so really good area, very popular area as well. Okay, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So here at Silverbow, they offer really large two-story homes. They have the Dillon, Dayton, and the Paxton floor plans. Okay, these homes are going to range from about 3,680 square feet all the way up to 4,320 square feet. So the prices are going to range from about 900 to about like low 1 million. So for these floor plans, you got 900 to about 1,130,000 for the most expensive one. Okay, how they're doing it here in Richmond, most of these homes are going to be move-in ready, quick move-in homes. So the good thing about those homes is you're going to get the best deals on those when it comes to price, as well as when it comes to like low interest rate financing. Okay, so they're going to offer those on the move-in ready homes. But just in case you're the type of buyer you want to pick out all your options, they do have a couple of dirt lots here where you could actually build from ground up and choose all your options. Okay, HOA here is going to be about $94 a month. Okay, that's just going to be for the upkeeping of the neighborhood. Also, there's 30 lots here by Richmond. 2 of them have been sold, so they still have 28 left. So the average lot square footage is going to be about 6,800. There are like 3 lots here that are available that have a 10,000 square feet lot. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the Dayton floor plan. Now this 2-story home is 3,980 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, 3-car garage, and out the door you're looking at about 970,000 to about 1,020,000. Okay, so they have a couple of quick move-ins that are priced around that range. And just remember, they do have some dirt lots. If you want to choose all your options, you can definitely go that route, or you could get a move-in ready home and you'll lock in the special interest rate financing and get the better deal with the move-in ready homes. But super nice home, excited to show you it. So as you can see right here, this is going to be an 8-foot door, so that lets you know that the ceiling is 9-foot ceiling. All right, welcome in. Now the spec homes, which are the move-in ready homes, they're going to have like the same amount of the same level of upgrades that the model house will have, except just different options. Flooring will be different, countertop, cabinets. Okay, so right over here in the front of the house, you're gonna have this nice bedroom. As you can see, that's a king size bed. So this bedroom is spacious. Okay, love these windows. Some large windows. As you can see, this bedroom does have its own full bath as well. Okay, Okay, so you have your single sink, beautiful quartz countertop. Looks like they went with the black fixtures. You're gonna have your toilet. Also, you have your walk-in shower. Okay, you got the black frame, black shower head as well. The tile surround. Okay, and then yeah, usually Richmond, they always have this type of wall texture. All right. So here, this is going to be your coat closet. Okay. So it does feel like the paint finish is going to be flat paint. I think all throughout the house and the wet areas, you're probably going to get that eggshell or that semi-gloss. But here we do have your formal dining room. Okay, or actually, I mean, this could just be like a den space, but then you have your door to your kitchen right there. So over here, you're gonna have your just some storage space. Okay. So you got the stairs that go to the second floor. You're gonna have some landing steps. Also, you're gonna have a bedroom in that corner too. So this is gonna be your living room area. So beautiful sliders. You're gonna get that natural light that comes in. Okay, beautiful kitchen island as well. Plenty of cabinets. So you can see you have the space for that large refrigerator. And then on this side over here, you're also gonna have a slider. Plenty of counter space, as you can see. Looks like here they went with the white cabinets. Okay, 42-inch cabinets. And they do have the monogram appliance package at this community. So this is what you can expect in these homes. Monogram dishwasher as well. Stainless steel undermount sink. Okay, let's take a look under the sink. You're gonna have your garbage disposal down there. This is gonna be your, to turn that on. Okay, so we got that nice hood. Let's take a look at this refrigerator. Okay, look at that. A lot of water. It's gonna be the freezer right here. Door feels very sturdy. Okay, so here we have the built-in oven as well as the microwave. Okay, so you got your microwave right there. You also have your oven. Okay, we also have this nice separate sink right here. Okay, nice window. Really good sized pantry. So you have room on the top, you have some room in the bottom. And one thing that's really nice about this this island, as you can see, is like you just have cabinets all throughout. Except on this side here, you won't have cabinets on this side. Here, I guess we'll take a look outside. And guys, if you're watching this video and you know, you're really interested in new construction homes and you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself. The second you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your information. Once they have your information, they're going to log you in the system as having no representation. And at that point, it's hard to get you representation. Now, the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So it's really important to get yourself some representation. I mean, our job is to get you the best deal, walk you through the process, make sure this, we hold the builders accountable as well. So we make sure the process is easy for you. And also too, if you're concerned, because I know a lot of buyers are concerned that they have to pay their realtors. I've never charged any of my buyers. I always collect it from the builders, or if it's resale homes, I'm easily able to get it from the other side as well. So definitely don't hesitate to reach out to me. Now, as far as the backyard goes, once you move in, it's just going to be a dirt lot back there, and you have about 6 months to a year to landscape it. Okay. But all these floor plans, the spec homes, they will have this covered patio. So you can expect that. Beautiful living room area. This house is great for having guests over, entertaining guests. Definitely has a lot of character to it too. Okay, so you have your thermostat right over here to control the temperature. Okay, so we're gonna have your bedroom. Looks like they turned out into the office. You're gonna have your laundry room. Powder room right here, and then your garage. So yeah, this floor plan has I guess like 2 bedrooms downstairs. Well, let's see here. I guess this one doesn't have a closet, so they may consider this a den. I'm guessing this is okay. So coat closet right here. This is going to be your laundry room. So really nice. You will have a sink right here. Got some white cabinets. Okay, your washer and dryer. This will be your powder room. Okay. All right, so yeah, that's your mud room here. But yeah, that's the 3-car garage. That is a sales office, so that's probably locked. So yeah, let's head upstairs. You can see that they have beautiful stair rails. So as soon as you walk in up here, you're gonna notice you'll have your loft right over here. You're gonna have your bedrooms, and then you'll have your primary bedroom, I believe, right back there. Okay. So definitely great area right here. Large loft. You have 3 windows. There's gonna be plenty of light. Okay, so welcome to the bedroom. Okay. Some good space here. You have 2 windows over here. See, yeah, guys, we're in a really nice community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Popular area for sure. One thing that people love about the Southwest is that it's just, it's pretty convenient. You know, if you want to get on the highway, or it's pretty close to the airport, the strip, easy access, great restaurants, Durango Hotel, casinos close by, more restaurants over there. Okay, so this room has a walk-in closet. Now it looks like they're gonna have a Jack and Jill bath as well, so it's gonna be shared with that bedroom over there. So you'll have your 2 sinks. Okay. This is your shower tub, your toilet. Right over here, we're going to be in this other guest bedroom. So this bedroom also has a walk-in closet as well. This bedroom is going to have 3 windows. Okay. You're also going to have 9-foot ceiling on the 2nd floor. Okay. So, oh, here, you know what? Let's check this out right here. And this is going to be for your place for your linens. So you also have your thermostat right here as well. So this is the other guest bedroom. Now this bedroom is going to have its own bath. So you have your closet. Okay, full bath. I'm guessing all the quick moving homes are gonna have some type of material. I know it's gonna be a quartz countertop. Okay, undermount sink. Nice walk-in shower. All right, here's a primary bedroom. Okay, very spacious. As you can see, this is a king-size bed. Nice, they got the Christmas music playing. My favorite. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, cool. So as soon as you get to this point, as you can see, so you have a closet right over here. Okay, and then you're gonna have another closet right over here. So you have his and her closet. Okay, welcome to the beautiful primary bath. Take a look at this shower. Nice tiles surround. You have those 3 windows. You also have a seat right here. For your water closet. All right, guys, that's it for the Dayton floor plan. Again, if you have any questions or if you're curious to know the incentives or anything like that, reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.